Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Let's Crack UPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well. And before I go to today's discussion regarding Odisha GK, in the series of videos we are going to give you information regarding Odisha. Very important. There will be a series of videos in this particular playlist, and it will be empowering you to answer many of the questions related to Odisha. Before we start today's discussion, sir and ma'am, who all are our new YouTube subscribers, we have already started OS Prelim test series. If you are interested, then do say hi, I am interested in your test series. The details of test series is there in the description. You can download the schedule from the description, and you can send me email at askabacademy@gmail.com, or you can also send me email at abishoi27@gmail.com. And we will be discussing about some important facts related to Odisha, especially related to geography of Odisha. Friends, the total area of Odisha, I hope many of you might be aware that Odisha's total area is 1,55,707 square kilometer. Remember, 1,55,707 square kilometer. Then the coastal plain of Odisha is gift of 6 rivers. Especially, if you will see the coastal plain of Odisha, it is because Odisha is, you can say, by virtue of its positioning and Eastern Ghat, Odisha has got 6 rivers. 6 rivers who are flooding many parts of Odisha. Not only that, because of it, Odisha has having the kind of a fertile soil in which the agriculture land is there. So much it is because of these 6 rivers. 6 rivers, yeah, for your, you can say, simplicity, I have divided it as BBBMR. If you want to remember the 6 rivers, then you can use this particular formula as BBBMR. S for Subhanrekha, then B for Budhabalam, then again B, that is Baitarani, then Brahmani, then Mahanadi, and finally it is Rishikulya. Starting from the north to the south, starting from the north towards the south, you need to remember that S BBBMR, that is S for Subhanrekha, then B for Budhabalango, then again second B is for Baitarani, then Brahmani, then Mahanadi, then finally it is Rishikulya. Remember, it is in this way. Then Odisha accounts for 4.87% of total area of India. Very important. How much is Odisha's area in comparison to that of the total area of India? It is 4.87. Remember, these facts are very important. Whether you are going for the interview or the interview stage, many of you might have written the main examination. We have already started the interview guidance program. If you are interested, then say hi, I am interested in your it is totally free of cost. You can join it, and you can send me email at askabacademy@gmail.com, or you can send me email at abishoi27@gmail.com. So Odisha's very important aspect is Odisha's percentage area. Area is how much? 4.87 is the total area of the India. If India will be taken as 100%, Odisha's percentage will be 4.87. Very important. Then southernmost point of Odisha is Muttu. The Brahmani river originates from the Chotanagpur plateau. From the Muttu, let me know in the comment section which is the northernmost point of Odisha. Then Brahmani river originates from Chotanagpur plateau. One of the important rivers of Odisha, this is Brahmani river. Brahmani river originates from Chotanagpur plateau Very important. Let me know in the comment section from where this our Mahanadi originate from. Let me know in the comment section from where Mahanadi originate from, and how much of its length lies in Odisha. We will be discussing how much is Mahanadi's length. The river which drains 3 states including enters Odisha through Sundargarh district. Brahmani river starts from the Chotanagpur plateau but enters Odisha from the Sundargarh district. Remember, very very important. Then the river which drains 3 states including Odisha before entering Bay of Bengal is Subarnarekha. This particular river, Subarnarekha river, it drains, especially entering Bay of Bengal. Before entering Bay of Bengal, it drains into 3 states. Let me know in the comment box in which are the states this Subarnarekha river is present. Then you know Subarnarekha is there in the north. So you can easily guess which could have been the states. Then the Mahanadi enters the plain of Odisha at Naraj. What is Mahanadi river? It enters Odisha from Naraj. It enters Odisha from Naraj. Remember, it is very important fact. The total length of Mahanadi river is 857 kilometers. Out of 857 kilometers, let me know in the comment box how much distance of this 857 kilometer lies in Odisha. Very very important. It can be asked in especially the OS prelim. I know actually OS prelim they also started putting Odisha GK also. So you need to be very much thorough about Odisha's rivers. And it can also be asked in ASO examination. 857. Out of 857, how much kilometer is there in Odisha itself? Very very important. The Tropic of Cancer lies to the north of Odisha. See, the Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer passes through how many states? Let me know in the comment section. Very very important. It is a very important GK. It has been asked many a times in OPSC, OS prelim examination. So you need to know which are the states which are having tropic cancer. This particular tropic cancer, it lies to the north of Odisha. So tropic cancer lies to the north of Odisha. Very very important. Rusukulya river of Odisha doesn't have a delta at its mouth. Very very important. Rusukulya river, it is not having any delta. It directly drains into the Bay of Bengal. So it is not having delta at its mouth. Then Attri, the popular hot spring of Odisha, situated in the district of Khurda. Attri is another hot spring. It is the popular place, you can say tourist destination of the district of Khurda. Very very important, Attri. Then Ansupa is a horse-shaped freshwater lake in Odisha. Ansupa is a lake. Ansupa lake is a very very important lake. It is a horseshoe-shaped lake. Horseshoe-shaped lake in Odisha. Especially what happens? This kind of a horseshoe-shaped. How come it is found? Especially whenever a particular river changes its direction, automatically it becomes the other portion of its portion of this river becomes totally disengaged from the main river, and finally it converts into a lake. And that's how this kind of a lakes are being formed. So Ansupa lake is one of them. So you understand this is a important lake. Then the river Vansadhara originates from a hilly region of Kolahandi. This river Vansadhara, from where it originates? From the hilly regions of Kolahandi. Kolahandi district, this Vansadhara river originates from. So from the hilly district. Very very important. The lake lies beside the Nandankanan Zoological Park, is known as Konjia Lake. The lake lies Nandankanan Zoological Park in Bhubaneswar. You might have seen that the lake nearest to that Nandankanan lake is this Konjia Lake. Konjia Lake lies closer to Nandankanan. Very very important. Then Duduma Falls is also known as Matsya Tirtha of Odisha. Very very important is Duduma. Duduma Lake is also called as Matsya Tirtha. Matsya Tirtha of Odisha. Which place is known as Matsya Tirtha? It is Duduma Lake. Remember Duduma Lake. The town situated on the Baitaran river is Jaspur. Jaspur town is present on the bank of river Baitarani. Jaspur town is present on the bank of Baitarani river. Very very important. Then Similipal project for tiger was launched as a part of national program in 1973. 1973, I have multiple times I have asked this particular question. NTCA, what is NTCA? National Tiger Conservation Authority. Similpal is one of them. Especially, it's the kind of a impact we have brought after forming this kind of a initiative. So, 1973, Similpal is this tiger conservation. Tiger conservation, this particular, our initiative started in this particular effort. So, NTCA is very, very important. 1973 onwards, we have started a mission mode approach in order to conserve the tiger. And this is very, very important, because what happens if a particular species from the earth gets extinct, it becomes very, very difficult to restore them, because many of these animals, they have already got extinct. It really creates a disbalance in the environment. So it is the high time, we need to look into the conservation effort, not only of tigers but also the entire species. You have to contribute from your side whatever it can be in order to conserve the earth. So that is very, very important. So this was all about today's point. If it was informative, then do give like. If you want my initiative to continue, then do give likes and do share with your friends who all are preparing for OPSC or ASO examination. Thank you very much. Happy learning.